first. I want to go in first on a roundabout. Big. That's third right there. Look at the RPM. Third gear. Yeah, go ahead, buddy.
The camera's working, what do you know? Just a quick update in this thing. When I parked over town there, the tape come off my helmet, so I had to take the camera off before it, well, actually fell on the ground. Didn't hurt it. So I couldn't film anymore when we went for a ride up around the dam. Anyway, I got over 600 and some, probably close to 700 clicks on this thing now. And in the other videos, I've got it, I did the Woolwich flash, tweaked the timing in the throttle bodies. And yeah, it's freaking crazy. Turn the traction control off. Obviously ride it in full power mode. And yeah, you can hammer it up in fourth, no clutch. It's pretty cool. Like, I don't know, I mean, anybody needs a faster bike, well then they're doing some kind of drag racing or they're incompetent on the corners. I don't know how else you'd put it. It's freaking crazy. Anyway, what else? Yeah, the exhaust. That catalytic converter, it's pretty free flowing apparently, but the only reason I would get rid of it would be just for the weight savings alone, just to make it that much lighter than the 14R was. So, other than that, I mean, like, it's just crazy power. Craziness. And you gotta always be ready. If you're gonna leave the traction control off and you're driving through town, always be paying attention. Hit a bump or something because the throttle is so light. Light spring or whatever. No toolkit really for this thing. A couple of wrenches, and I talked to the guy that had the GP or this SC Plus, okay, GP stars, and he said same thing. I'm like, no real toolkit. $27,000 bike, and they got no friggin' toolkit in it. Like, it's stupid. So I don't even have a proper Kawasaki thing to adjust the chain right there. So hopefully one of my old Honda shock adjusters will work. Otherwise, maybe I'll get a hold of Kawasaki. And I haven't really got it leaned over much yet because of what it is. It's April, May. Snow has just melted. And that is it for now.